Have you ever wondered how your data is stored and managed? Or how your favorite apps remember just what you like? From the places you've been to the songs you've played, every bit of data has its place. In the vast digital landscape, there's a complex network keeping track of all the information you generate. Every preference, every click, every search. It's all remembered. And what makes this intricate dance of data possible? Well, the magic behind this is a technology known as databases. So, what exactly is a database? Well, let's take a step back and think about a library. Imagine how chaotic it would be if all the books were just thrown in a pile, with no system to organize them. It would be virtually impossible to find what you're looking for, right? Now imagine a library with all the books neatly arranged, categorized by genre, author, and title. This is much more efficient, isn't it? In the simplest terms, a database is like a digital library. But instead of storing books, a database stores information or data. This could be anything from customer details for a business, to your personal photos on social media, to the high scores in your favorite online game. Just like in a library, information in a database is organized and structured so it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. However, instead of a librarian, we have a database management system, or DBMS, which acts as a sort of digital librarian, handling the storage, retrieval, and updating of data. Consider another analogy, a warehouse. In a warehouse, goods are stored and cataloged so they can be easily found and retrieved when needed. A database, like a warehouse, is designed to store large amounts of information in a way that allows for efficient retrieval and updating of data. In today's digital world, databases are absolutely crucial. They are the backbone of almost every application or website you use. When you're scrolling through your social media feed, that's a database delivering information to your screen. When you're shopping online, a database is keeping track of your orders, your payment information, and the items you've viewed or purchased. So in essence, databases are everywhere, handling vast amounts of information and making sure that information is easily accessible when needed. They are a fundamental part of how the digital world operates. In essence, a database is the brain that remembers all the information for an application. Did you know there are different types of databases? That's right, just as we have different breeds of dogs, each with their own unique characteristics, we also have various types of databases, each designed to handle data in a specific way. Today, we'll briefly touch upon some of the most common types: relational, object-oriented, hierarchical, and network databases. Let's kick things off with the most popular kid on the block, the relational database. These databases organize data into tables like the rows and columns you'd see in a spreadsheet. Each row represents a unique record, with columns storing the attributes of these records. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet, where you can quickly find, update, or report on data based on various criteria. Examples of relational databases include MySQL and PostgreSQL. Next up, we have object-oriented databases. As the name suggests, these databases treat data as objects. This is similar to how programming languages like Java or Python handle data. These databases are great for dealing with complex data structures that relational databases may struggle with. Then we have hierarchical databases, which, like a family tree, store data in a parent-child relationship. Each parent can have multiple children, but each child can have only one parent. This type of database is often used in systems that require high performance and availability, such as telecommunications and banking systems. Last but not least, we have network databases. These are a bit like hierarchical databases, but with a twist. In network databases, a child can have multiple parents, making it a lot more flexible. This type of database is handy when dealing with complex relationships and large volumes of data. So, there you have it. A quick tour of the different types of databases. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which to use often depends on the specific data needs of a project. Just like we have different types of storage units for different needs, we have different types of databases for different data requirements. Why is understanding databases important? Where are they applied? Let's dive in. In this era of the digital age, databases have become the backbone of the tech world. They're like the lifeblood that keeps the digital ecosystem alive, functioning smoothly and efficiently. Databases store, manage, and retrieve a vast amount of information that powers up our digital experiences. Take the tech industry, for instance. Every app you use, every website you visit, every online transaction you make are all powered by databases. They're the silent heroes working behind the scenes to make your digital life seamless and personalized. But databases aren't just limited to tech. They're everywhere. In the healthcare sector, databases store and manage patient records, helping doctors diagnose diseases and provide personalized treatments. They also play a crucial role in research, aiding scientists in their quest to understand and cure diseases. In finance, databases manage transactions, customer information, and even help in risk assessment and fraud detection. They're instrumental in making our financial systems secure and trustworthy. And let's not forget about their role in education, logistics, retail, and many other sectors. They help in managing student records, tracking shipments, inventory management, and so much more. So you see, understanding databases is not just important for tech enthusiasts or professionals, it's essential for everyone in today's interconnected world. From managing your social media posts to helping doctors diagnose diseases, databases are everywhere. So that's a brief overview of what databases are and why they're important. From managing your favorite social media platforms to taking care of banking transactions, databases are the unsung heroes of the digital world. They keep our lives running smoothly, often without us even realizing it. We've covered a lot of ground today, discussing what databases are, their different types, and their wide-ranging applications. We've shed light on how they're critical to the functioning of many sectors, including healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. Remember, databases aren't just for tech whizzes, they're tools that can empower us all to better navigate and understand the digital world. So, whether you're a budding developer, an entrepreneur, or just a curious mind, we hope this knowledge enriches your tech journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.